In today's video, I'll teach you how to set spacewalking on Google Fit. So first of all, open the Google Fit application. You can see over here Google Fit has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to set the spacewalking, tap on the plus icon that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, track workout. Now once you do that, you'll be able to track your activity over here. Tap on this option, activity type. After you do that, you'll be able to find various options. What you have to do is find this option for paced walking and tap on it. Now after that, you can also specify the pace goal. You can simply tap on the plus icon in order to increase it. You can tap on the minus icon in order to decrease it. Now after that, tap on the play button that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll just have to start the paced walking. Once you're done, you can simply tap on the pause icon and tap on this icon that you can see on the screen. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you set spacewalking on Google Fit. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.